Hi, welcome to the first day of the Cisco training. In this video, we will be covering some basic topics such as what is the internet network and some basic components of the network and little brief introduction of router switches and SOHO, which stand for small office and the home office. And the last, we will be learning about the NGF and the IPS. So starting with what is an internet network. An internet network is nothing but a connection of two or more network devices through a router and configure a logical network addressing with the protocols like IPv4 and IPv6. For example, in this picture, you can see various type of network devices that are connected with each other with the help of cables and are connected through a router. And the devices can send the packets from one computer to another device by the help of the IP address that we will be learning after some time. So now moving towards the next topic to some basic components of the network. So these are some basic network devices such as router, switches, hub, bridge and the gateway. Let's start with a small introduction of these network devices. Starting with a router. A router is a type of network device that is used to connect two or more network devices together. It routes the data packets based on the IP address. It is used to break the broadcast domain for preventing the congestion. The switch is a device that is used to break the collision domain. Unlike hub, it broadcasts the data, but in the switch, it just switches the frame and sends to the targeted source. And the third is hub. Hub is a network device that is used to broadcast data to all the devices that are connected to it. It consists of only one collision domain and the one broadcast domain. And moving towards the bridge, it is a network device that is used for interconnecting the two LANs of same protocol. And last is a gateway. It is a network device that is used to connect two network of different network models. Now let's talk about some functions of these network devices. Starting from a hub. Let's suppose this is a hub in which two devices are connected. Let's name them P1 and P2. If the P2 has sent message to P1 has to send message to the P2, it can simply broadcast the message and it can be delivered direct to the P2. But what is the problem of the hub is that it has only one collision domain and has one broadcast domain. That means if we add two more PCs, let's say P3 and P4 are the two PCs we added. If the P1 has to send the message, then the message will deliver to all the PCs, even the two PCs who don't want to receive the message. So this is the problem of the hub. So what it does is it simply broadcasts the message to all the devices that are connected with the hub. So now let's talk about the switch. Let's add switch in the hub. So this is our switch, and in which P3 is connected. So now if P1 wants to send message to P2, it will broadcast the message and only P2 will deliver this time. It will not deliver to the P3 because what switch does is it breaks the collision domain. So the P3 will not receive the message from the P1. So this is how the switch works. And in switch there are two collision domain and the one broadcast domain. So this is how the switch works. And now let's talk about the router. So we add switch 1, switch 2, and which is connected with a router. And we can add PC, P1, P2, P3 and P4. And now if the P1 has to send the message to the P4, So in this case, it has to know the IP address of the P4. Then only P1 can send message to the P4. Let's say the IP address of the P4 is 192.168.00.1 anything. So P1 has to know the IP address of the P4 if it has to send message to the P4. So what it does is it will go message to a switch and router, and then it will send to the P4. So this is some functions of the networking devices. So now let's move into the next slide. So now let's talk about the NGFW. NGFW is a third generation firewall combining a traditional firewall with the other network device, filtering functions such as an application firewall using inline deep packet inspection DPI and the intrusion provide system IPS. NGFW provide a full layer 7 inspection to provide security in your network. That means the firewall and the NGF design can be pretty complicated. The Cisco has the NGFW called the Firepower that they acquired from a company called SourceFire. It is popular because they permit application visibility control AVC as well as the intrusion prevention system IPS policies, which helps to look at the attacks on the known client vulnerabilities. In order to have NGFW, it should have certain specification. So these are some specs of the NGFW. It should be router and switch compatible L2 and L3 devices. They must add the packet filtering with IPS and the malware inspection capability. It should provide the network address translation NAT and should permit the stateful inspection, and it also should provide the VPN and provide the URL and the application filtering and also the third party integration. So these are the specs of the NGFW. In the next video, we will be learning about the OSI models and the Cisco 3 layer hierarchical model, Tier 3. I hope you get some value from this video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can freely comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And also follow my Instagram account. You will get some valuable content related to the CCNA. And you can directly message me regarding to this topic. So thank you. See you on the next video.